So I haven't done a GoPro video in a while, and we're going to compare the Hero 10 here on the left with the Hero 11. And I have a question here for GoPro. Okay, so if you click on here, both do the same, you can edit your settings. And so let's say, for example, if I want to edit the frame rate, that's how the screens look like. Now, if I'm done, so I'm changing the frame rate here to something. Then to get out of this, I would slide down and go here back. So here, the slide function doesn't work. You can't slide anymore. So you can't get out of this menu to go to the previous menu. It's just not working anymore. And that's every time like that. You can try this on your GoPro Hero 11. It just doesn't work. So there's one thing they broke, and they gave it to us without testing it, because if they would have tried it, they would have seen it doesn't work. So then why would you give this to us as a user, where we paid a lot of money for this camera?